This is a wood clamps tool set. It comes with 2 clamps and several different angled corner clamps if you're making frames or need 2 corners held together while you fasten them together. So it comes with 4 of these and then some interchangeable sizes here to change these out with the different angles. Got 3 different angles here. What I like about these clamps is you can push this button here to take that piece off, slide this one all the way to the side, push it in, and now you have a clamp that works that direction as well.